So mom, here my chicken are eating some leaves of sukuma wiki. So I have to go at my mother's home to look for another sukuma wiki to give them at 5. So here I'm on the way to the village to look for sukuma wiki. Hello guys, welcome back to this amazing YouTube channel. I gone by the name Gati African. I'm now back from the village because I was from school. I come at my home here. Then after here, I went to the village to look for the sukuma wiki so that I can take it from my chicken here. So I want to feed them before it's getting 6 because it is 4 p.m. So I want to feed them. This is the key here. I want to open because the door is here and it is closed with the padlock because I was not around here. So guys, kindly consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. So here I want to feed my chicken here. So guys, here I want to open and enter so that I can feed my chicken because they are hungry. So let me open, put them. So this is the water tray here. I have to remove this one. I have another water here. So this is the water. So guys, this one's for putting the food. So I have to put here the food. Because there's another one food there, so I have to put this one. I think would be enough. food. So guys, I have done with that. I want to take sukuma wiki and throw it inside here so that the chicken can eat and enjoy. So this is the sukuma wiki here. All of this is the sukuma wiki for the chicken. So guys, I have done with that. So let me show you how my chicken look like, how it eat, where they stay. So guys, this one is for chicken and this one is for cooking.
Hey! That's shit.
Some are resting, some are eating, some are walking. They are now enjoying here. Some are resting, some are eating, some are walking. They are now enjoying here. my chicken here. As you can see, they are enjoying, some eating sukuma wiki, some water, others foods, as you see there. There are 5, 1 cock and 4 chicken that lay eggs. So total there are 5. So they are here. So guys, kindly consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and leave the sweet comments there. So this is where I have reached by now at my home here. I have the chicken. Yeah. So by now I'm expecting some eggs. So after that, because I'm going inside the house, I have to lock the door here. This is the door that I want to lock here. So I have locked the door because I'm going inside the house. So let my chicken eat. I will come to see what is going on.